The company responsible for building the Wonthaggi desalination plant says the government only has itself to blame for not persuading the public of the merits of the project. Aquashore's CEO fronted a parliamentary committee today as university researchers released their findings about public attitudes towards desalination. Jean Edwards reports.
Things have been fraught in Wonthaggi for a long time, but researchers are surprised by the strength of the sentiment.
I guess one of the things that we didn't expect was to find the big social divisions based around desalination workers, the plant operators and the local community, how much friction there was.
Attitudes to desalination vary wildly around the country, but the researchers from Deakin, Victoria and Murdoch universities found people had a low level of trust in governments to manage water and little understanding about how consultation works.
Consultation was extremely important in determining whether or not people supported or otherwise desalination plants. More important than self-interest and more important than people's knowledge of desalination.
People in Wonthaggi were most concerned about the environment and the location of the plant, but it was less of an issue in South Australia and Western Australia, where the plants are in industrial areas. The importance of convincing people of the merits of big projects isn't lost on the head of the consortium building the Wonthaggi plant, who fronted the Public Accounts and Estimates Committee.
This is particularly the role of government, not the private sector. And if you haven't convinced the community why you're doing the project, then the road is going to be pretty rocky.
And it has been rocky for the Wonthaggi project, which has been plagued by industrial headaches.
The labour costs just notionally are high enough anyway, but when you then take the productivity because of the limited amount of time they can work, it's just a stupid waste.
And an argument that's not over yet. Jean Edwards, ABC News, Melbourne.